Hi, I'm Dr. Preeti. I'm the head vet of Crownlet Aun. I come in with an 11-year experience, in which 6.5 years I've been associated with Crownlet Aun. So this is the time where we are moving in from an older space to a newer space, which is hardly placed 200 meters away from the older area. Uh, Come, let's have a look of the new facility of Crownlet Aun. So this is the waiting area, reception and pharmacy area. So this is a private space where you guys can sit in with your pets while you're waiting for the appointments to be called in for with the doctor. So this is the reception area wherein you come in and meet and greet occurs. This is where you are checked into your appointment, and then we enter our consultation rooms. So in our previous facility, we had 2 consultation rooms. We have extended our facility to consultation 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is basically done to reduce your waiting time and effectively accommodate more of appointments. So this is our pharmacy area. This is where we store medications like oral medications, injectables and prescription food, which is available on prescription. Let's enter our consultation room. So this is a private space which basically occurs between a veterinarian and the scheduled appointment pet parent along with the pet. This is a private shared space between the two to understand what the problem is going around with the pet, to give them enough time for history collection, wherein we tend to build up a relationship between the veterinarian and the pet parent to understand their pet's needs, the problems which they are facing, so that we can work upon that. Discuss what we can offer and what we are going to do further beyond this consultation point. I'm going to take you to our preparation room where all the magic happens. Hi, so this is the prep room. This is where all the magic happens. We basically do a head-to-toe examination over here in this room. We do have diagnostics which is IDEXX specific. We do our hematology, our organ function tests over here. We do have services like blood gas machine. We basically do a head-to-toe examination in this room. We tend to understand what the problem is being faced by the pet. We tend to come to a conclusion where we pin down our differential diagnosis and then the working diagnosis, explain that to the client and then go ahead with the treatment plan. So in this newer facility, we have come up with an idea where we need to keep cat and dogs separately to reduce stress while they are hospitalized. So we have dedicated a cat ward in this clinic where we keep only cats as an inpatients. So these are non-infectious cat patients which will be placed in this ward. Then we have added an additional neonatal service where we house kittens or puppies which are from birth to 4 weeks of age. We have a neonatal incubator wherein we place them and trying to maintain their temperature and humidity while we are working through our diagnosis in treating and managemental and nursing care for the neonatals. We have a second neonatal room where we are planning to keep puppies and kittens post 4 weeks of age, so that they are separated from the other wards to contain any kind of cross-contamination. So this is our operation theatre. Here we are up and ready for all the soft tissue surgeries which we are capable of performing here. We do have dentals as well. We provide a wide range of dental services where we talk about dental scaling, polishing, extractions if needed. So this is the operation theatre where we perform our soft tissue surgeries. Let's get to the imaging room. This is the room where we perform our x-rays and ultrasound. Yes, we do specialize in performing advanced digital x-rays and advanced ultrasonography of abdomen as well as thoracic. Our vets are skilled to perform these and we are up and ready to perform these services for you. Let's get to the isolation ward. So we have separated our isolation ward from our common IPD ward. Basically, this ward is for hospitalizing larger dogs, any dog which is above 10 kgs. So they do have cages where they can easily roam around. We do have oxygen supply attached with every cages. So these are the cages where every dog is separated and housed over here for the treatment perspective. Coming back to the isolation, we have a separate cat isolation ward and a dog isolation ward. This is again to separate species contamination and to make sure that we are well contained in one area rather than spreading it across the clinic. Last but not the least, we also do have a designated pet bath area. This is not specifically for anything in grooming, pertaining to other grooming services, but we stick ourselves to medicinal care. For example, if after a dermatology consult, a veterinarian decides that okay, we need to go ahead with any skin treatment, then yes, we do offer medicated pet bath services at our facility. Hope you liked our new facility. We have expanded our services to cater to your and your pet's need. We hope to see you around and hope that you keep supporting us in future. We are here to serve your pets well. Crown Vet, rest assured.